Today, I'll walk you through how to sync Google Calendar with Notion in the easiest way, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to connect these two powerful tools so you can streamline your scheduling and enhance your productivity. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. Once you're there, head over to Notion.com. This is where the magic happens. Once you're on the Notion website, click on Open Notion to access your workspace. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be the same. Now look at the top left corner of your Notion interface for the settings icon. This is where you'll find the options to customize your experience. Click on Settings to proceed. Next, in the Settings menu, locate the Mail and Calendar section. This is crucial for connecting your Google Calendar. Click on it to open the connection options. Now it's time to connect your Google Calendar. Click on the button that says Connect your Google Calendar. This step is essential for syncing your events. After that, click on Continue with Google. This will prompt you to log into your Google account if you aren't already signed in. Once you're signed in, choose your desired Google account. This is the account that will be synced with Notion. Next, click on Continue to grant Notion the necessary permissions to access your Google Calendar. This step ensures that all your events are properly synced. You will then see a consent summary. Click on Continue again to finalize the connection process. Now that you've completed the setup, exit the settings and check if everything is synchronized. This is a crucial step to ensure that your calendars are connected properly. To verify, go over to the Notion calendar and check if your events are appearing there. Finally, don't forget to check your Google Calendar to confirm that all your events are also showing up there. This double-checking ensures that you have a seamless integration between both platforms. And there you have it. You've successfully synced Google Calendar with Notion. This integration will help you manage your time more effectively and keep all your important dates in one place. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.